A scientific morning, my dear scientists. How are you doing today? It's good to know that you're all doing great. Welcome to another science amazing adventure where the search for truth continues. Today, you will learn the natural objects found in the sky during daytime and nighttime. For in the mind of great scientists like you, learning never stops. So let me take you to another fun-filled adventure. This is your teacher, Teacher Isabel, your guide in exploring and discovering the world of Science 3. Prepare now your module, pen and paper that would be used as we move along our lesson. Are you ready? Great! Let us now begin our science adventure. Young scientists, let us first have a short quiz to know your prior knowledge in our today's lesson. Listen carefully to the instruction. Direction. Read the questions and encircle your best answer. What do you see in the sky during daytime? Letter A, moon. Letter B, stars. Letter C, sun. Number 2. What do you think will still be in the sky tonight which appeared today in the sky? A. Clouds. B. Meteors. C. Sun. Number 3. Why are stars shiny bodies that emits heat and light? Stars are shiny bodies that emit heat and light because blank of hot glowing gases. Letter B. These are natural objects that shine. Letter C. Of dust and hot glowing gases that shine. Number 4. Why do objects seen at night not seen during the day? Objects seen in the daytime not seen in nighttime because of blank. A. Rotation of the earth. B. Revolution of the earth. C. Daytime and nighttime. Question number 5. Do you see the sun during a cloudy day? Why? A. Yes, because it shines. B. No, because the sky is dark. C. No, because it is covered by the clouds. Young scientists, before we move to our next topic, let us recall what we have learned from our previous lesson. We learned about different weather conditions and how to deal with it, right? The weather affects our activities and the environment. It affects how people dress up and work. Plants and animals are affected too. Most of the plants will get dry if exposed with too much heat, and same with animals. They might also die. With these bad effects, we should practice precautionary measures in dealing with different types of weather, like wearing thick clothes during rainy days and light clothes during sunny days. We should also avoid too much exposure on sun's heat to avoid any diseases caused by it. Young scientists, can you tell what you see on the picture? Do you often wonder what are the natural objects you see during nighttime and daytime? Young scientists, today we shall learn about natural objects seen during daytime and not seen during nighttime. These are natural objects because God made them all. Some are seen during nighttime. but it is not seen during daytime. This is because of the rotation of the Earth around the Sun and how Earth spins on its axis. The natural objects seen during daytime are sun and clouds. During nighttime, stars, clouds, and moon are seen. The sun lightens the day. It is the largest body in the solar system, but generally is considered as medium star. Clouds are white in color and are seen in different sizes and shape during daytime and nighttime. Stars are shiny bodies that emit heat and light because of hot glowing gases. Meteors or shooting stars are pieces of dust and debris from space that burn up in Earth's atmosphere, where they can create bright streaks across the night sky. The moon gives us light at night. It is a cold, dry orb surface studded with craters strewn with rocks and dust. Young scientists, prepare now your pen and paper for your activity. Before we proceed, let us have a drill first. Young scientists, are you ready? Check the pictures that are seen during daytime. Cross out the picture seen at nighttime and box the object that both seen in daytime and nighttime. You're doing great, young scientists! For your short quiz, here is the instruction. Match column A with column B. Under column A, number 1, stars. Number 2, meteors. Number 3, sun. Number 4, moon. Number 5, clouds. Under column B, the definitions are: A. Largest body in the solar system, but it is generally considered as medium star. Letter B. Shiny bodies that emit heat and light because of hot glowing gases. Letter C. White in color and are seen in different sizes and shape. Letter D. Are pieces of dust and debris from space that burn up in Earth's atmosphere, where they can create bright streaks across the night. Letter E. Give us light at night. Number 1 is done to guide you in your activity. Young scientists, you can pause this video while answering the activity. You may start now. Are you done answering, young scientists? Excellent! Let us check how many scores you've got. Write a check mark if your answer is correct. If not, put an X mark. When checking your answer, always remember the golden rule. Honesty is the best policy. Here are the answers. Number 2, letter D. Number 3, letter A. Number 4, letter E. Number 5, letter C. How many scores you got? Can you please show them using your fingers? Hooray! Young scientists, do analyze and answer the situations given. Tell your answers orally. During daytime, the sun is shining brightly outside. After a while, there is still light but you cannot see the sun anymore. Why? You can pause this video while analyzing the situation. You may start now. Young scientists, are you ready now for our post-assessment? I know you are all ready. So let's start. Choose the letter of your best answer. Number 1. Which of the following you cannot see in the sky during daytime? Letter A, clouds. Letter B, stars. Letter C, sun. Number 2. Which of the following is described as dry orb which surface is studded with craters and strewn with rocks and dust? Letter A, moon. Letter B, clouds. Letter C, sun. Number 3. Why are stars shiny bodies that emits heat and light? Stars are shiny bodies that emit heat and light because blank of hot glowing gases. Letter B. These are natural objects that shine. Letter C. Of dust and hot glowing gases that shine. Number 4. Why do objects seen at night not seen during the day? Objects seen in the daytime not seen in nighttime because of blank. A. Rotation of the earth. B. Revolution of the earth. C. Daytime and nighttime. Question number 5. Do you see the sun during a cloudy day? Why? A. Yes, because it shines. B. No, because the sky is dark. C. No, because it is covered by the clouds. Are you done answering, young scientists? Excellent! Let us check how many scores you've got. Write a check mark if your answer is correct. If not, put an X mark. When checking your answer, always remember the golden rule. Honesty is the best policy. Here are the answers. Number 1, C. Number 2, A. Number 3, A. Number 4, A. Number 5, C. Great job, young scientists! Count the number of a check you've got and write your score on the space provided. Young scientists, this ends our lesson for today. Once again, this is your teacher, Teacher Isabel. Remember, science is full of discovery. Continue to search for the truth. And don't forget to like and subscribe our DepEd MP YouTube page so you can watch your lesson anytime, anywhere. Goodbye!